Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2000, an old Hollywood-style premiere party was held for the Lion King musical as it debuted at the Pantages Theatre. The show was embarking on its first U.S. production after its original success on Broadway. Celebrities and Disney executives flocked to the newly refurbished Pantages Theatre for the event. An Adventureland-style after-party followed the show. The Lion King ran for 952 performances in Los Angeles after being extended 3 times. And this was, 25 years ago. Did you see it? Did you love it? I would like to have. Anyway, have a magical day.